Hello, my name is Maya Finley, and I will be reporting on Francesca's annual report from 2019. Our principal office is located in Houston, Texas. We opened in 1999. We began by selling jewelry, accessories, and home decor. As we grew across the nation, we expanded to offering apparel, which is our largest category. The graph below shows the percentage breakdown of sales. Our customers seek on-trend, quality merchandise at affordable prices. We offer a range of apparel for every and any occasion. Our market is geared towards women ages 18 to 35, typically college educated, and has a moderate income. As of February 1st, 2020, we owned and operated 711 boutiques in the nation. We have an emphasis on a demand-based fast fashion model in merchandise planning and buying, combined with the short production lead times of our vendors, maximizes our speed to market. Approximately 400 vendors in a diverse base of relationships, 97% of our merchandise was sourced by us, and 35% of our top 10 vendors were sourced by them. March 2020, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 as a pandemic. This caused us to close from March 25th until April 30th, over a month of closed businesses across the nation. This shutdown had us make many changes to our normal business structure, such as reduced operating capacity, reduced customer visits, temporary furloughs of corporate and boutique employees, salary reductions, and many more changes. The COVID pandemic and mitigation measures are currently and will continue to have an adverse effect on our business and financial condition. The pandemic will depend on future developments that are heavily uncertain and cannot be easily predicted. Francesca's financial statement on COVID was prepared on a going concern basis, which contemplates the realization of assets, the settlement of liabilities, and commitments in the normal course of business. Francesca has since filed for Chapter 11 protection in the U.S. bankruptcy in November of 2020. We have plans to sell the business. During the shutdown, 50% of our profit was lost, a 50% drop in first quarter net sales that raised doubt about our ability to survive. We will permanently close 140 stores out of 711 nationwide.